Welcome to the Mediator. This is the Mediator, our program, your program, Women Empowerment and Legal Aid Program, a program where we mediate between parties. If there's a violation of your human rights, your right is being violated or is likely to be violated, please report to us at Women Empowerment and Legal Aid number 25 Adekunle Fajiwe GRA. What we do is to broker peace between parties, and you go back home as friends. Once again, my name is Fumi Falana. This is the Mediator.
My name is Mrs. Faith. I'm the tenant that reported my landlady to the mediator, Barrister Mrs. Fumi Falana, as I was informed by my friend that there is somebody that can help me because of what I've been passing through with my landlady.
I did surprise when my tenant reports me for ESF.
My landlady have not been treating me well, and I've already paid her. She's now treating us bad. I cannot on generator, all this and the rest of them. She have even wounded me. All of you, you can see what has been happening to me. This is as a result of what happened between I and my landlady, simply because I came back home late, and it was not my fault. She said everybody should be at home around 8, and I could not come around that time. She jammed my hand on the process of opening the gate.
I no understand. You report me, say I dey trouble am from my compound. That is why I'm here today.
Welcome back to the Mediator. This morning we have the case of a young lady who has come to report her landlady for the violation of her right in her house. And like we always do on this program, we have decided to invite the landlady to state her own side of the story, to give her the benefits of fair hearing. Today, both of them are here, and we want to listen to their story. Yes, Madam Tenant, can we listen to your story?
Yes, good afternoon, ma. Thank you very much, ma. My name is Mrs. Faith. I am a tenant, and I'm here to report my landlady to you, ma. Please, ma, I have a problem with my landlady. When I entered her house newly, she gave me her rules and regulations. I've been abiding by her rules and regulations. Because I used to go to work and come back around 7. She said everybody should be at home around 8. Everybody, not only me. So all of a sudden, I changed a place of work.
How many tenants do you have in that house?
We have 5 tenants, ma.
There are 5 rooms or more than?
5 rooms, including her own 6.
Okay.
Yes, ma. So I changed a place of work, which does not give me guarantee to come back around that 8, and their problem started. She said she have warned us that she wants us to be at home around 8. She did not understand. I'm now coming back around 10, 11, 12 or
now,
so.
Tenant, when you change your job and you knew you will have to come back later than 8 o'clock, did you tell her?
Yes, ma, I told her. And she said, no problem. That was what she told me.
Okay.
But I did not understand. She's saying no problem, and now she's giving me problem. I did not understand.
So what are the problems she has been giving
Mommy,
you?
the problems she has been giving me, she was not giving me before.
What
like
are they?
now, she said I should not on gen. Even if I should on my gen, I should off it by 12 midnight. While she on her own from any time she wants and then off it when she wants to off it. I don't think that is fair. So
she has a generator as well?
Yes, ma, she has. She have a generator, which she on it till the kingdom come. She don't want anybody to talk. It's only our own that she's seeing faults in. So, mommy, I have come here simply because I have been following those ones and then managing her.
Now, listen to me, Tenant. She said you should come back before 8 o'clock.
Yes, ma.
So, since she gave you that rule, has anything happened?
Nothing has happened.
So when you came back after 8, what happened?
Yes, ma, that is where the problem is. I came back after 8. This is what she did to me.
When did this happen?
Mommy, this happened last week. Because I was coming back, hold up seriously on the road. So I could not reach home that 8. not even 9, not even 10, not even 11. I got home to 12, 11:45.
And so what happened?
When I came, I knocked at the door. First, she did not answer me. I knocked, she did not answer me. Okay, she said all of us should be in around that time because of security reasons. And she's now leaving me out there that time to be outside. I knocked. When she came outside, she was like, I should go and sleep anywhere I want to sleep. She have already warned me not to come back that time. So the process of dragging, or trying to open the door, she used the gate to jam my hand. This is what I've been passing through. Mommy, I have a witness because my neighbor came out immediately the thing happened. I was shouting. She left me there and entered inside her room. She could not even do as if something happened. She did not even care. It was my neighbor.
That's okay. Landlady, she said you used the gate to jam her fingers. Is she correct? And why did you do that?
Good afternoon, ma'am. My name is Mrs.
Just answer this question, then we'll come back to it.
I don't know about this her finger. Now where she go do her shower road?
That's okay.
Now they break her hand. I don't know anything about this handle.
Okay.
Jesus.
I told you,
That's
you
okay.
are a wicked human being.
Thank God my neighbor was there to witness. So thank God, though. Thank God my neighbor was there.
We'll follow you out.
That's okay.
Then we'll follow you out.
Who is this your neighbor?
Mommy. My
Mrs.
neighbor
Esther.
is Mrs. Esther.
She a tenant in the house?
Yes, she's also a tenant in the house.
The same roads.
She's also a tenant in the house, ma.
And she's in the house this morning?
Yes, ma. I came with her so that she will help me explain what happened.
Okay, I will call her
because
later.
I knew my landlady will deny it. That was why I came with her.
I will call her later.
Yes,
but,
ma'am.
House.
But before I call her,
Yes, ma'am.
what are the other things your landlady has
Mommy.
done to you?
So many things.
What are they specifically?
My children.
Yes, because you have brought the
My
case.
children now doesn't have any breathing space in that house. She treats them as if they are nothing. Once they just pass like this, she called me Ashawo, including my children. That is the name she have given everybody in my own house. Everybody is Ashawo. Even if you are a baby, she call you Ashawo. I don't know how that one happened. I don't know. That is, and again, mommy, the last time my brother came around, she said, I don't talk, I'm saying Ashawo she dey go do. She don't dey bring boyfriend come house, oh. Now my brother, oh.
Okay. So, your neighbor, is she in the house?
Yes, mommy.
What's her name?
Mrs. Esther.
Mrs. Esther, are you in the house?
Yes, ma'am.
Please come forward and tell us your side of the story.
Good afternoon, ma'am. My name is Mrs. Esther. Ma, everything this woman just said right now is the truth. Because this our landlady, she's a wicked woman. That is how she used to disturb everybody in the compound. She don't used to make us have peace of mind. Our children cannot play in the compound. She will say they are disturbing them. Me, I don't just understand.
Okay,
She's
make I ask you
frustrating
one
us
question.
there.
Esther, wait. Now, for that house you dey live for now, how many years you don't live for that house?
Me, I'm 2 years there. I met the woman there.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So, how many children do you have?
I have 4 children, ma'am.
How late do you come back home?
Me, I don't come back late, but all that, the way she treat them, not that they are doing it purposely, because of their job.
The hand wey say na landlady break, wetin happen? You fit tell us?
She came back from work, quite all right. She's working at Lekki. So due to the traffic, she came back very late. So I was in my room when I heard her knocking. The landlady, first of all, she did not respond. So later now, she now got up and went to the gate. I heard them as they are dragging. So in that process, she just opened the door. When they are dragging it, she just banged the gate on her head. That is when she had this injury. I was the person that even assisted her that day.
Okay. Okay, thank you. Thank you. Landlady, you have listened to the tenant as well as the witness. Can we listen to your side of the story?
Yes, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
My name is Mrs. Ngozi. I don't know that you people call me here, or these two people call me here to report.
We don't tell you, say you get report against you here.
No problem, ma.
Say you don't know. You know why you come here.
But I want to let you know that this woman here, these two women, they do meeting against themselves. because they cannot do against me with my own house. In my house, you people want to do meeting against me. It cannot possible. It can't possible.
Hello, landlady, answer my question. Is it true you don't allow them to come into the house after 8 o'clock?
Mommy,
Respond to the issues.
Mommy, when they enter my house, I give them rule and regulation in my house. 8 o'clock. My 8 is 8 o'clock. I don't want any Yahoo people to enter my compound anyhow. That is why I told them
So even if
8 o'clock.
even if they walk on the island, they still must get back home by 8.
Yes, ma'am. Yes. If they like, they should pack out. I don't want any problem in my compound. I don't want any wahala people in my compound. This woman here have left with me over 3 years. If I'm a problem woman, you can't live 1 year.
Okay,
But now,
she has lived there for 3 years.
Yes.
When last did you collect money from her?
She just paid last month.
Mommy, I just paid her.
She just paid last month.
I just paid her.
She just paid for me last month money.
And you collected?
1 year, 3 months, Abi. Mommy, I have their money to pay them back. Let them leave.
Yes. You collected the money.
Then I don't know
Why
that she should come and report me. I should give her money. She should leave my compound. The two of them. You are joining it, right? You join this woman, right? Oh, your own will clear it.
That's okay, that's okay.
You will pack out.
Oh, that's okay, that's okay. You haven't threatening the other tenants.
Yes, you should pack for my house.
Right
I don't want
our presence.
Yes. Yes. It's my house. Oh. I don't borrow any money from government house. Oh.
Okay, it
Mommy,
is your house.
You
Yes,
can see, you can
it's my house.
see, you can see, you
Did
can see
anyone
who
borrow
she
me
is.
money to
You
build
can
house?
see who she
It's
is.
my hand.
And she has been denying everything. You can see it. From her action, you can see it.
Your hand, I don't know where you go and wound your hand. Oh. All those social people that you
Listen
follow
to me,
them.
landlady.
Somebody was there.
Landlady, listen to
Oh,
me.
God.
Landlady, listen
Now
to
I
me.
know. Now I
Will
know
you
that
listen
you
to-
people are doing meeting against me.
Will you listen to me, landlady?
Yes, ma'am.
What happened when she came back 2 days ago?
When she came back 2 days ago, I'm not around safe.
Hey.
Is it true you don't allow her to put on generator?
Yes, ma'am. The generator problem is that the compound, once they on their own, I on my own. It's only 3 people that have generators. These stupid human beings, you don't even have generator.
You have to keep your
That is
language.
his sister.
You have to
Don't
keep
even
your
have generator.
language.
And you came here to come and
Mommy, that is why
that's
she
what
always
it is.
address us. She call us
You have to be
stupid,
polite.
all sort of names.
Don't call somebody stupid here.
Yes, ma. Help
You
me
have to
tell
be
her.
polite
Help me
in
tell
your
her. Oh,
language.
help me tell her.
Use polite language. Yes, go on. I'm listening to you.
Just 3 people have
We
generator
know
in
you
my
are the owner of
compound.
your house. Nobody is disputing that.
But
But
I
they are
told
your
them to on
tenants.
their generator.
Yes.
Once they on it, if there is no lights,
Yes.
they on it and off it by 12 o'clock.
When do you put off your own generator?
It's my house. I can leave it till daybreak and anytime I like. I off it. I don't buy fuel for me. Am I using your
Are you
father's
the one
fuel?
buying our own fuel? Are you the one?
I don't want it to on because the noise is too much for me.
Your own that is sounding like grinding machine.
Oh.
Have you ever complained?
For your father's compound. Your father's compound on my own house. Oh, I don't know. Mommy, I don't want to even hear anything. I should give them their money to go and rest anywhere they like. They should leave my compound. I want peace. I want peace. I don't want this woman problem again. The children was be disturbing me. I don't want to nanny for house. Come here, live there. It's me. When she go to do our show,
Madam
1 o'clock in
Landlady.
the midnight.
Madam Landlady,
I'm the caretaker of children.
Again, I
Landlady
want
and
to
caretaker of the children. Are you paying me for your children?
Madam Landlady, I want to
Yes,
ask you again. When did you collect the last rent?
Last month.
Just after I do a shower
And why-
finish, she carry money, give me last month.
Why did you collect it when you know you don't
Last month, I even, like
Mommy,
me.
she was even disturbing me even before the day I was supposed to pay. She disturbed me. She need the money. I should pay. I tried to pay the money. Immediately, I paid the money. She started giving me problem.
Money.
Now, where do you have your generator? At the back or in front?
My generator. I have a cage for
Mommy,
my
her
generator.
generator is at the back of my window.
Your window.
Is the house a
generator
bungalow?
in the back of my
That's
window.
okay. Is the house a bungalow or a story building?
A bungalow.
Okay. Do you still have space behind? Because I'm looking at how we can position our own
Enough
generator.
space, mommy.
There is
Enough
space.
space.
There is space,
Even
but
at the back of
their
her room, there
generator
is big
will
space.
disturb me. I
But
don't
she will
want
not
them
go and
to
keep
own
her
it.
own there. Oh. She will
I
come and
don't
keep it
want
at the
them
back
to
of my
own it.
window.
So is a generator behind your own window?
No.
So why is it disturbing you?
Mommy, like once, 1, 2, 3, once they're on generator, the noise will be bouncing
this-
off my
No, she told me there are only
house. I
five
don't want
rooms.
anything that will disturb.
There are only
compound.
five. There are only 5 rooms.
Yes.
How many people use generator in your house?
3, mommy.
3.
You, yourself, and 2 others.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
So
Look at this
How will-
Angela, Mrs. Esther. Oh. The other Angela has gone to work. Oh. You come here to judge me, right? This Mrs. Esther, you don't even have, even past my neighbor, did you have?
but
You are begging for lights and you are
That's-
coming here
Madam
to judge
Landlady,
me
that's
in
not
my
the
own
reason.
compound.
Madam Landlady, that's not the reason you are here. The reason you are here is that you have refused to give them peaceable enjoyment. If you collected rent, then you should allow her to live in the place.
Yes.
That's the meaning. That's the meaning of collecting rent. I'm giving you license to live here in peace.
I want to ask, is the money, is it the money a problem or what? I should give them their money.
No, you cannot give them their money again. As a matter of fact, until her tenancy expires, you are compelled to give her peace in that house. That is the law. Now, do you want her to leave now? What do you want?
You should leave my compound.
After collecting her money.
Then I will go and borrow it and give her.
Hey.
Yes, I will borrow it and give you.
Borrow.
If it is that I don't have, I will borrow it. I should go and collect loan and give your money.
Wonder shall never end. Borrow. Hey.
You see,
I
if,
pity you.
if at all I borrow, is your father will come and pay it for me. How is my pay
Even if you bring that money now, I cannot leave your house because I've not gotten anyone. You have to give me time.
Mommy, this
long
woman have
time to
target
find
in my
another house.
compound. You have target in this my compound. That is why I want this woman to live.
Oh, you think I don't know what I
have
am doing
targets.
that I
Why
brought you
did you
here?
collect the money when you don't want her to be in the house?
Mommy, the time I collected money, I don't know that is going to have this type of targets. You have targets. You have targets. Oh, you don't want to leave my own compound. See,
Do you know where she
that
works?
your favor that you are receiving in my compound. Don't let me enter any juju hand because of you. Don't let me enter any pastor house because of you.
Landlady.
You will leave that compound. Oh.
Landlady, even before us now, you are threatening her. What you are doing is emotional blackmail.
Okay,
Not
ma'am.
just emotional blackmail, it is also emotional abuse.
Yes.
And psychological abuse.
I don't understand.
So we
though.
can imagine what you do when you are not here.
like this time like this. I don't
Now
understand. I
listen
don't
to me.
understand this case at all. Wait,
Madam Landlady, she told you she changed her job. Do you know where she works? Did she tell you where she works now?
see, like now, like this woman is a liar. If he tell you say she change work, you go stand for road, they do in Ashawo Road. Ashawo, this is a uncle to tell me that he change work. I didn't believe that work. Oh. That is why I changed. I totally changed for this woman.
Something you did not even see with your 2 eyes. Something you did not see.
Care.
You see me
This
standing
woman,
somewhere
it
doing
will
a
wear-
shower walk?
That is how you move. Oh.
Of course, because I'm a
I don't
working class.
understand.
Is that your problem?
Because
I don't
I'm
understand you
working.
at all.
My money is talking. Why wouldn't I work the way I want to work? Because
Landlady,
I'm
is that the
working.
problem you have with her? The
Mommy,
way
that
she
was-
Because
works?
it's not work. That,
Is it the way she
can
works?
somebody went to work and come back 1 o'clock, 12 o'clock? What is? Which type of work are you doing?
Mommy, that's why I felt she's jealous, very, very jealous of
Jealousy,
this work. Because
jealous
since when I
because I use
changed,
your papa money
she has-
build my house.
Oh, hey.
I use
She
your
has
papa money
seen
build
so
my own
many
house.
changes in me. That is why
Jealous
problem
for what? What did you have?
Okay, that's okay.
What do you have that I will
That's
jealous
okay,
of you?
landlord.
Is that
Landlady,
all those
that
reporter and that you are wearing?
Landlady, that is okay. Tenant, that
He's
is
not
okay.
behaving like a married man.
That is okay, landlady. We will be right back. Welcome back to the mediator. We have listened to the story of the landlady and the tenant. Does anybody have any intervention from the audience? Just tell us your name. You want to make an intervention, just tell us your name and let us listen to your view before I pronounce my verdict.
Thank you very much. My name is Mr. Abu. My question is for the landlady. She mentioned that she set rules and regulations for the tenant. I want to ask, those rules and regulations, were they documented? Or in another word, do you have a tenancy agreement you gave to the tenant where you put those rules and regulations?
Yes.
Thank you. Thank you, Mr. Abu. The thing the man they ask be say, the thing where you say make them know they come after 8 o'clock. You put them down for paper. You
I
write
give them the paper.
They write and they sign.
Everything is
Okay.
with them. I have my own copy and they have their own copy.
If for that agreement, you put them there, say they no go they put on generator.
I told them.
But you know.
Mommy, you know they, she only talk am for mouth. She
I
no put
told
am
them
for
with
paper.
my mouth for the generator and the children, all these children that are disturbing me. I just told them that one. Okay. It's because it's change work. That is why those ones come up.
Okay, thank you very much. Thank you. Now, landlady, my verdict. Now to the landlady, if you give a house under the law, if you give a house out, you have a tenancy agreement with any person, it is an express way of saying, I give you a license to live in this place and enjoy the place peacefully. In other words, the house must be habitable. He or she must be able to live there under good conditions. So if you are saying your tenant cannot put on generator, and you are using generator, it is a violation of their rights. And there is no evidence that the generator is even inconvenient. There is any noise that is disturbing you. It is a violation of their rights. And as long as she has paid rent to you and you collected rent, you are expected to allow her to live in that house until her tenancy expires without inhibiting and without disturbing her enjoyment of the premises. If you had refused the rent, when the tenancy expired and you knew you were not going to allow her, you would have given her a quit notice. Now, you mentioned that you are ready to give her money now. It is not possible for you to so do under the law. If you must give her quit notice, it must be at the end, at the expiration of her tenancy. When will this tenancy expire, tenant?
I mean, it's expiring next year, March.
Yes. So, landlady, you cannot chase her out until the tenancy expires. And 6 months to the end of that tenancy, you will give her a quit notice. A notice to tell her, go and look for an alternative. I am going to collect my premises from you. When this tenancy expires, I will not renew it. But besides that, there's no way you can chase her out of the house. Otherwise, you will be committing a crime under the Lagos State law. And if your landlady has given you some rules and there is a need to change it because you change your job, you go to her and explain to her. Tenants.
Yes, ma'am.
And when you explain to her, you find a way of resolving it amicably. But I want to let you know, both the tenant and the landlord, that the issues here are things you can resolve. And I don't know why, because you told me earlier that you were living like mother and daughter.
Yes, ma'am.
So when did the thing go wrong? And where did it go wrong? And how can you reconcile? How can you go back to the original love that you had? It is not impossible. Don't you think so, Madam Landlady?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
What
What do you want her to do specifically? Put it in your mind that she cannot live until the tenancy expires. So you must determine to have peace and to allow peace to reign.
Okay, ma'am. What I want to ask is this. Like, before that we are living like a mother, he used to buy packaging for me before. But now, he changed. Since he started those things,
Okay.
he changed. If he can, if he wants us to come, he should continue what he's doing before.
No, it's very clear. It's okay. Tenants.
Ma.
Isn't it clear now?
Very, very clear.
You used to be a good girl before.
Yes.
What happened? What happened? It is not a serious issue. I'm sure you can go back to be good again.
Yes, she should have told me that this is where the problem is.
Yeah, she's your daughter, madam. She will be a good girl again. And please remember your own children are somewhere and they are tenants elsewhere. And how will you want them to be treated? So when you are treating people, you should always remember that when your children go elsewhere, there's a way they will also be treated. Please, I want to beg you, put it in your mind that the law does not allow you to chase her out or to even return her money now. Then again, I want to beg you, because like a mother you said you were to her, she's ready to be a good girl again. So draw her closer and be mother and daughter again. Will you do that?
Yes, I will do that.
Will you forgive yourselves now?
Yes, I will forgive her.
She will bring packages again.
No problem. But I will forgive her. But that next year, that if I can't give her money now,
yes,
see next year when her money...
You won't even give her next year. You will just give her quick notice.
Okay.
She will look for accommodation.
But if you do well, I will not give her quick notice.
She will do well.
She too like my compound. That is why.
Don't worry.
She don't want to go anywhere.
Yes,
but under the law, when you people used to talk, me, I don't understand under the law.
Yes.
Because I no borrow money for any law. Buy my land and my house.
Landlady, yes.
No any government concern me. Now my money,
yes.
I suffer it. Before I buy that land, I know what I passed through.
Yes, landlady, you are still under the law.
Conductor on the road.
Yes.
Before I buy that land.
Everybody that lives in Lagos is under the law of Lagos State.
Okay.
And the law is above everybody. The law pass anybody. The law pass you. It pass the house, yes.
No,
and in this law, fit catch you. And if the law catch you, if it put you for prison.
For their own land.
It no matter, it no matter. Now they tell you, it no matter whether now you get the house, whether now you get the land. Because the law is above everybody. Yes, so, but be that as it may, I want you to come back together as mother and daughter that you were. She said she will be a good girl again. No and will you be a good mother too?
No problem.
You will try.
We do that.
Yes. I am happy we are able to reconcile you today. And I want to get a feedback from you in the next 1 month. Yes, I will want the tenant. You don't have to bring Madam Landlady again. I will want you to come back to us in the next 1 month to report to us how things are going. So I know you will be a good mother and she will be a good daughter. I am happy you are ready to be friends again. I'm happy you are ready to reconcile. Thank you, everyone. We'll be right back. Welcome back to the Mediator. We've been listening to the story of the tenant and the landlady, and happily we're able to reconcile them. Of course, we discovered that the landlady, who perhaps did not know the law, the importance of the law, and of course, what the law portends, we have been able to tell her that she has no power to expel or to send the lady who just paid rent a month ago, and the rent is going to subsist, and the tenancy is going to subsist till the next 12 months. I have told her that the only option open to her is to give her quick notice when she has 6 more months to the end of her tenancy. But we have been able to reconcile her, and they are coming back as friends again, and they are going to live peacefully together. This is our objective on this program. The objective is to reconcile parties, to broker peace, and go home as friends. I'm sure both of them are happy today. And don't forget, you can always come to us at number 25, Adekunle Fajoiwe, GRA Ikeja. This is Women Empowerment and Legal Aid, the mediator. My name is Fumi Falana. If your right is being violated or likely to be violated, come to us. We will redress your rights for you. Until next week, I say thank you for viewing.
After the case, everything have been settled. I just hope that my landlady will be the person I used to know. I enjoyed the way the case finished. Mommy settled all of us. I just wish and pray that everything, even though she complained I used to be a good girl before because I used to give her some packages, but the reason why she started misbehaving was because of that packaging that I did not give her again. But from now, I will be a good girl. I will try and give her what she wants so that peace will reign.
Now, where they don't settle us for a year, I hope that the tenants will be do well now and I will be good landlady to her.